scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Flattening a 2D array into column major order is a classic coding challenge. We need to fill our result array correctly using the provided nested loops. To store elements in column major order, we must iterate through each column before moving to the next. Our goal is to map the 2D letters array into the 1D result array. The outer loop variable x represents our current column, while the inner loop variable y tracks the row. We need to access the element at row y in column x now. Assign letters at row y in column x to result index k for each column x. This makes option E the perfect choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid row major order. Trust the column major requirement for success.